Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi Snippets video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. In our last video we installed our logo and our favicon here. Today let's create our first page. Now you can either go to the dashboard and add new page, or just hit the plus button up here and hit the page. Now you can give your page a title. And start building with the Divi builder. It'll give you a tour if you want to. Just click the button there, or you can start building. If you hit the start building, you're going to get three options: to build from scratch, which we're going to do today, choose a pre-made layout, which we'll do in the next video, or clone an existing page. We haven't got any more pages, so we won't do that right now. So let's hit the build from scratch button. First thing it's going to do is put in a section for you and prompt you to insert a row. And these are all fairly self-explanatory. You've got a single row, single column, 2 columns, 3 columns, etc. Just choose the one that suits you for this particular section. Once you put your row in, it'll pop up with the insert module, and Divi will come up with all these modules to choose from, and we'll be going through each of these individually. But just to show you how it's done, I'm just going to simply left click on a call to action and it'll put it straight in there for you. You can go in, edit the title under the content tab where it comes up as default, button if you want to add a button, and edit the text here. We'll be going through these individually, but the common things they all have: they've got the content, they've got a design tab where you style everything, and they've got an advanced tab where you can give it CSS IDs of classes, custom CSS, and other things right there. So that's how to create your first page. Really simple. In the next video we'll show you how to add and load a template. Once you've added your modules and you're happy, just hit the save draft or publish if you're happy. Once it's saved, you can exit the visual builder. Now the visual builder is fantastic. If I re-enable it here, because it gives you the choice to build on the front end where we're looking now, in other words the end that the user sees, or if you want to, you can do it in block mode, which is old style. Hit the purple button, hit the little icon over here to build in wireframe view, and you can switch it and build in block mode if you prefer to do that. And you've got different options for desktop view, tablet view, and mobile view, so you can make sure that it's responsive on all devices. So there you have it. That's how to create your first page using the Divi theme. I hope that's been helpful to you, and I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.